at Hope Embroidery, and today I'm going to show you how to separate strands of embroidery floss. So if you have a strand of embroidery floss and you look at it really closely, you'll see that it's actually made up of 6 separate strands. That's why we call it stranded embroidery floss. But let's say you don't want to use all 6 strands. How do you separate this? There's a few different ways, but this is my favorite way. What I'm going to do is separate one strand from the other 5. So I've got 5 over here and 1 here, and then I'm going to, I don't know why this works, but I'm going to pull this strand out. Do not understand why it doesn't knot up when I do this, but it does. And then I have 1 strand here and 5 strands here. Now if I need to use, let's say, 2 strands, I'm gonna just pull another strand out. Just 1 strand at a time works best. And now I can recouple these together and I'll have 2 strands. And you can keep going, 3, until you have the number of strands that you need for your project. And that's how you do it.